Hello friends, while solving equation, it is most important that we keep both sides of the equation equal. Today, in this video, we are going to visualize this process. As you can see, I have a balance scale here. I have two buckets on this balance, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. I have some number of beads on in both the buckets. You can see my scale is in flat position. That means the number of beads on the both sides are equal. On the left hand side, I have a packet containing beads, but I don't know how many beads are there in this packet and some loose beads. And on the right side, I have some more loose beads. Now, I want to know how many beads are there in this packet. Can I know the number of beads in this packet using this scale? Let us see. Now, to know the number of beads in this packet, what I need to do? I must have this packet alone on either side of the balance. So, I will remove these 4 extra beads from the left side. Now, when I remove these 4 extra beads from the left side, my balance is not in the equal position. My right hand side is tilted. That means the number of beads in the right side is more than the number of beads on the left side. Now, I want my scale in the balanced position. How can I get my scale again in the balanced position? Since I have removed 4 beads from the left hand side, now to get the scale again in the balanced position, I need to remove 4 beads from the right hand side as well. Now see the magic. Now when I remove 4 beads from the right side, the scale is again in balanced position. That means the quantity on the left hand side is equal to the quantity on the right hand side. On the right hand side I have 4 beads. That means the number of beads in this packet is also 4. Now rethink this situation in a mathematical way. On the left hand side, I have a packet with unknown number of beads and 4 more beads. So I can say that on the left hand side, I have x plus 4 beads. On the right hand side, I have 8 beads. So my right hand side becomes 8. Now, both the buckets are in equilibrium position. My scale is in balanced position. So, I can say that x plus 4 is equal to 8 or left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now, I want to know the value of x. And to know the value of x, I need to get rid all the extra stuff from the left hand side. Here, I have plus 4. So, to know the value of x, I want to undo this plus 4. How can I undo this plus 4? I can subtract minus 4 from the left hand side. Now, we have to think whether this equation is in equilibrium position. After subtracting 4, is my left hand side is equal to right hand side? Let us see. When I remove 4 beads from the left hand side, my balance is tilted to the right side. That means right side is heavier. That means when I have removed 4 beads from the left hand side, equation is my algebraic expression is not in the equilibrium position, so I can't put equal sign here. Right hand side is heavier, so I will say x plus 4 minus 4 is less than 8. Now I want left hand side is equal to right hand side. to make both the sides equal, I have to subtract 4 from the right hand side as well. When I subtract 4 from the right hand side, both the sides became equal. That means left hand side again becomes equal to the right hand side. Now when I solve x plus 4 minus 4 which gives x and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, we know the value of x. We get the value of x is equal to 4. So friends, we can visualize the simple algebraic expression with the help of a scale. So keep visualizing, keep thinking and keep watching my videos. Thank you.